Welcome to Njenje Media TV. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Remember to click on the bell icon. Archbishop of Enugu Province, Anglican Communion, and Bishop of Enugu Diocese, Most Reverend Emmanuel Chukwuma, has warned the southeastern governors that he will lead the revolution and the protest if they give any inch of land in southeast for this Ruga Fulani settlement. The Archbishop Chukwuma, who gave a warning, said that any governor in the zone that gives land for Ruga will be forced out of office. And we agree at Njenje Media. The Archbishop was speaking at St. Ebenezer Anglican Church, Independent Layout, Phase 2, Enugu, during a Thanksgiving service of second session of 17th Synod of this diocese. Archbishop Chukwuma said he would personally lead a revolution to stop the governors if they tried to succumb to the enticement of the federal government. The cleric, who had explained to the congregation the implication of Ruga farm settlement on the zone and the nation at large, called on church leaders to speak up and condemn the Ruga move. He, Archbishop Chukwuma, said they are giving states 1 billion to accept the Ruga settlement project. I told you, I am a spiritual, political, and a political mafia. I have told the governors of the southeastern state they must not accept that 1 billion to give land for Ruga. Njenje Media is adding, we know the people that are very likely to take that money because you know Dave Umahi of Ebonyi State has been romancing with the current government, and we are suspecting that he's going to be among the first to take that money. Archbishop went further to say, if they do this, I will lead a revolution to stop it. So I am using this synod to warn every governor that no governor in the southeast should venture to give our land for Ruga. Otherwise, they will be forced out of office. Njenje Media is equally saying that if they do that, we will be among those to mobilize to make sure that that governor is chased out, not only out of office, but equally from his village. Archbishop Chukwuma was charging the people to be watchful, prayerful. So, said some of them who are religious leaders have their network, and we are monitoring what goes on in this country, adding that he was not afraid of anybody. Why would he be afraid of anybody if he has got nothing to be afraid of? He said, as I stand here, I am not afraid of Buhari. Njenje Media is equally not afraid of Buhari. I am not afraid of anybody. I am not afraid of them because greater is he that is in me and than he that is in the world. Church leaders should cry out and condemn this Ruga settlement in all its entirety because it is dangerous and it is part of the foxes that will enter our local governments, and before you know it, we are no more indigenous of our places. Meanwhile, the synod that he was speaking at, the synod that he spoke at, had its communique signed by the Archbishop himself and the secretary, Dr. Stanley Mweze, and other people who signed it. The communique was also forwarded to Njenje Media. Njenje Media would add, we must resist any attempt in the southeastern Nigeria for anybody to cede an inch of land to the Fulani headers. We cannot cede an inch of our land. We use the opportunity as well, as Maazị Ezeoke has consistently called, for Igbo billionaires to look into going into animal herding, that is, to go into ranching. There are places Igbo billionaires and businessmen can get land, and establish ranching. Ranching is the solution to this problem and not Ruga. Ruga is a neo-colonialism approach to this problem. Ruga is not the solution, but an escalation of the problem. This is Njenje Media channel. Subscribe to the channel.